Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, welcome. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and thumbs up button if you like this video and to see more nail content like this. So today I'm going to be doing a Gel X nail set using almost all Temu products. If there's a product I use in this video that is not from Temu, I will say so, but otherwise everything else, including nail tools, gel polish, and other nail products, are all from Temu in this video. I did do a Temu haul last week and have done other Temu hauls before, so if you have watched my other Temu videos, you probably have seen some of these products. So now we are going to put some of these Temu products to the test and see how they work. So as you can see, I already started prepping my nails. I did a little bit of cuticle pushing and some nail buffing. So now I'm picking out my full cover nail tips, whichever ones fit my nails the best. And I always say it's always best to get the larger one if you're choosing between a larger one and a smaller one, just because you can always make the larger one smaller by filing it, which I will be doing here very soon. And also, you don't want your full cover nail tip to be too small because it might pop off more easily and it also might hurt your nail. There were a couple that actually fit my nail almost perfectly, so I didn't really have to do much filing, which is really nice, but for most of them, I did have to do some filing. So basically, just file down any area that it does not fit your natural nail, and I like to file a little bit and then check to see, and then file more, just so I don't over file it and accidentally make it too small. You'll want the full cover nail tip to fit sidewall to sidewall, not going onto your skin, but also covering all of your nail. And by the way guys, everything will be linked in the description box below that I use in this video. I did apply a peel off base coat, which was not from Temu, so I didn't really include it in this video. And I'm also taking my UV nail glue from Beetles, which also was not from Temu, and I am using that to apply my Gel X nails. I'm just applying the nail glue onto the full cover nail tip where I estimate my natural nail will touch the full cover nail tip. And then I'm just applying the full cover nail tip to my nail, starting at the edge and slowly bringing it down. And also making sure there's no air bubbles. And just to clarify, neither of the nail lamps I use in this video are from Temu. And I'm just going to be repeating these steps for the rest of my nails. If you accidentally get nail glue on your skin, just make sure to wipe it up with acetone before curing it and as soon as possible. Even if I don't think I got any nail glue on my skin, I usually like to do like a 2-second flash cure and then take my lint-free Q-tip and go along the edges of my nail just to be extra sure, and then put it back into the nail lamp. Instead of a little Q-tip, you could also use something like these cute little lint-free heart-shaped wipes. And no, the acetone is not from Temu. I don't even know if they sell acetone. Since the steps are the exact same, I'm just going to let the rest of the nail application process play out with music, and then we will get to the actual painting and decorating of the nails. Now I'm just putting my UV protection gloves on, and I'm putting my nails in a larger nail lamp, doing a full cure just to be sure that all of the nail glue is cured. I'm just buffing the shine off of all of my nails. This step is optional, but if you are having trouble with your gel polish peeling off of your full cover nail tips, then you should definitely buff the shine off of the nails. And now I'm just applying the base coat to my nails. The base coat I was talking about earlier, that it was not from Temu. This one is not the same thing. This one is from Temu. I'm taking this gel polish and just applying one coat to each of my nails. It's a jelly gel polish, kind of a pinkish color with glitter, and it is so gorgeous. I swatched this in my Temu haul I did last week, and I was just so amazed by how pretty it was, and I was like, I absolutely must use this gel polish in the next nail set I do, and that is exactly what I'm doing. I normally do at least 2 coats with the gel polish, but I really wanted that sheer jelly look to it, so I just did 1 coat and I thought it looked really nice. I have other colors of this brand of gel polish from Temu, and I think it's a pretty good quality gel polish. I really like all of the ones I have. Now I'm just top coating, and I'm using the same brand as what I used for the base coat. So now for the decorating and doing nail art, I'm taking one of these white bow charms and just taking my top coat and applying a bit of that to my ring fingernail, and I'm using that as a glue for the bow. So I'm just putting the bow right on there and curing that. And then I just applied a little more top coat around the bow just to be sure that it is really stuck on there and doesn't fall off. And by the way, in between painting the nails and doing the nail art, I did do my other hand, so that is why I all of a sudden have nails on my other hand. But anyways, for my index fingernail, I decided to get some flat back pearls, and I applied a big one in the middle of my nail near the cuticle area, and then some medium ones on each side of that, and then some really small ones on each of the sides of those. And just like I did with the bow charm, I did use top coat to glue them down. And finally, the nail art for my thumbnail, I'm taking some of this silver gel polish and putting that on my nail palette. I am using a dotting tool, but this dotting tool is not from Temu. So I just made 1 dot on the nail, and then I'm taking a detailing brush and just making 4 lines, creating a star with that dot. I thought it was a little hard to see, so I decided to cure it and then go over it again with the same gel polish, just so it has 2 coats and it's a little easier to see. And then I decided to do a second star. This one, you start out doing the same exact steps as the other star I did, but then you just add on 1 small line in between each bigger line, and it kind of turned out looking like some sort of snowflake or flower or something, but I really liked it. I mean, it still looks like a star, it's just like a different type of star, and it just reminded me of a snowflake for some reason. I'm taking the flat back pearls again, and I got a medium-sized one and put that in the middle of each of the stars. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you've never ordered from Temu before and you want to, you could download the app and use my affiliate link or my affiliate code and get a chance to get up to $100 in coupons. I will put all of that in the description box below if you're interested. You'll also find a link to my TikTok and Instagram in the description box below for more nail content. As always, make sure to like and subscribe if you do like this video, and I hope to see you in another one. Bye!